Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss square root. We have some simple way to solve our square root without using calculators. So number one example, we have 11,025. We are asked to find the square root of this number 11,025. So it's very simple. So we are going to start our workings. So let's draw our line here. Here we have 11,025. So first of all, we are going to look at a number that will enter 11,025 without any remainder. So if we use 2 will not enter. 2 will enter 11,025 with remainder. So we are going to use 3. So 3 into this number is 675. So again, we are going to look at a number that will enter this number again without any remainder. So 3 can go again. So 3 into this number equals 1,225. So we are going to look at the next number. 3 will not go. So we are going to use the next number, which is 4. 4 will not go again. So our next number that will go into number is 5. So 5 into this number is equals to 245. So we are going to look at the number that will enter this number again. So definitely 5 will enter this number again. So 5 into 245 equals to 49. So we are going to look at the number that will enter this 49 without any remainder. 5 will not go. Again, 6 will not go. So we are going to use 7. 7 into 79 equals to 7. So from here, nothing will enter unless 7. So 7 into 7 is 1. So therefore, we have 3. We have 3 again. We have 5. We have another 5 and 7. So therefore, we are going to say 3 square times 5 square then times 7 square. 3 times 5 times 7 again. So 3 times 5 times 7, the answer is 105. So the square root of 11,025 is 105. So this is a simple way to solve your square root without using calculator. Then the next 5,184. So still we are going to show our workings here. We are going to draw our line here. 5,184. So we are going to look at a number that will divide this number without any remainder. Let's use 4. 4 into this number 1,296. Again, we are going to look at a number that will enter this number without any remainder. Let's use 4 again. 4 will enter 1,296. 32. 3. 4 will enter this number 324. Again, we are going to use another number that will divide this number. So 4 again will enter. So 4 into this number is 81. So again, which number are we going to use to divide 81? So definitely 9 will enter 81 9 times. So from here, 9 will enter itself 1 times. So we have 4. We have 4 again. We have 4. We have 9. We have 4 square. This is this 4 again. Then times this 4. Then times 9 square. 9 square. So 4 square times this 4 is the same thing as 2 square, that is 2 times 2 equals to 4, then times 9 square. So 4 times 2 times 9 equals to 72. So the square root of 5184 equals to 72.